Hi everybody! I have an unboxing to do. So as you can see, I opened it already. This is a unboxing from Butterfly Beads, and it's from their sale on their findings, and they had 30% off everything, and I ordered a ton of stuff. I have to say, I she's I don't know if you heard my wife. She yelled 50 pounds worth. No, that's another unboxing. This was just 20 pounds worth. I was gonna say that okay, so I'm setting up my excuse for why I had to place such a big order on findings. Can you hear me now, honey? She goes, "This is gonna be good." So I've been doing this for a year since the isolation started, and the stuff I had was mostly um, doing malas for the yoga community here in Dartmouth, and um, so I didn't. You don't do like a closure on a mala. It's strung beads, and you hide your string inside the mala. So you don't need findings. And so as I started doing the videos and stuff, I started accumulating things that I needed, like jump rings and stuff like that. And it's funny because I actually have a bag of malas that I pulled out, and I had like these beautiful gemstones pendants attached to the malas with head pins. That's how little findings I had. I had to use a head pin instead of a jump ring. And like I can't believe I didn't even do a good job with it. It's hilarious. I'll have to pull them out because I'm pulling them out for the garage sale. And yeah, and show you guys what I did. So anyway, I placed a massive order with them for the findings, and the big thing that I was looking for most recently is the um, box clasp for bracelets, for beaded bracelets. And I've done a ton of research on AliExpress and other shops, and I just couldn't find a price that I felt comfortable paying. So when I saw their prices are really good to start with, and they have a huge selection. That's the other thing. So they have a large selection. And yes, the stuff's coming from China, but I don't know where else you're going to get it from unless you pay $10 for something that's handmade, or I don't know. I don't know where you would get that kind of stuff. So so yeah, it was great to be able to get stuff for 30% off. So I placed a big order. So let's do it. And what I did was I also checked, they had seed beads. So I wanted to check what they had and what their prices were like. And lo and behold, they have these 22-gram vials of Czech beads. They have Miyukis. I'm sure they have a bunch of others too, but I have like a ton of Tohos. So really, I just needed to see what they had in the Miyuki and Czech beads and ordered some of those. So I ordered a few of those so that I can do some um, comparisons with my other beads. And I just opened this one. It is gorgeous. This is Opaque dyed violet, and I love. They are beautiful. So let's see if I can get this in the tube. I'm still working with one hand here, so that's so not. Oh my gosh. See what you guys got yourself into. Watching me pour beads all over the place. Okay, we're going to make one attempt here, otherwise these are going to go off to the side. I think about Stephanie from Bronze Pony in one of her videos. I don't know, I want to say her studio tour, but it might have been one of her regular videos where she was cleaning off her bead mat and she had like a bead and she took it and she just flung it in the garbage. And I was like, oh my god, why are you throwing stuff away? And now I get loose beads. I'm like, done, garbage. Okay, I don't know if that's on tight or correctly. Let's see. So this was $2.65 Canadian. Yay, super cheap. Now you got to remember, if you're Canadian and you're buying at a Canadian store, you're going to pay tax. But I mean, we all have to pay tax. So there's that. And I mean, you shop at Michael's and pay tax. So why not give it to a Canadian company? Couple. I think it's a family business. So then I got these ones. These are 11 O's and they are Ceylon dyed pearl, opaque dyed pearl. These are pretty. These are 270 for 23 grams. Let me see if I can open this. I should have had my wife open these for me. That's what your teeth are for. I'll just take a few out so you can see. They're pretty. Oh yeah. Very nice. Oh, what the heck. I think we'll just show the tubes. I hate to do that to you guys, but this is probably more painful to you guys to see me struggle. I feel like this is cross-threaded, but okay. There's my hand. So this is the update on my hand. People have been asking. I haven't been using it. No, 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 no. So, I mean, besides what I just did there, yeah, it's in rough shape today. You can see how swollen it is compared to the other hand. When I get up in the morning, it looks like this hand, amazingly. And then as the day goes by, it starts to swell up. And it's sore for sure, but it's going to be like that for a while. So there you go. Nothing you can do about it. Move on, nothing to see. So here's another one. This is Czech seed bead. So this one was only $2.10. And it's light topaz. And oh my gosh, look at this. This is beautiful. These are pretty. Let me see if that... It wants something bigger to focus on. There we go. Oh, it didn't like that. There we go. Awesome. So yeah, these are really nice. I'm just, I get excited. I'm like, oh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna go beading. And then I'm like, then I remember I can't use my hand. I'm like, oh, I'm very sad. I want to bead. I want to be that crazy beading lady. And then we have this beautiful, these are lovely. So these ones are Teal AB transparent. And let me, this one is AB transparent. There's a $2.65. So yeah, for the most part, they're $2.65. So I did the calculation for 23 grams. So I normally get an 8-gram Toho. So they say this is between 8 and 9 grams, and this is 23. So you're talking a little more than double, and the price is, so that would end up being $5 American plus the shipping, and actually more, because we'll say 50 cents more, so $5.50, and on average maybe another 50 cents for the shipping, because I get these from Art Beads and the shipping for Canada is $5. Now there's a 5% coupon that I use all the time. It usually takes care of the shipping, so it's kind of hard to do that comparison. But anyway, so there you get the picture, right? So it's like $5, say, for this, compared to $2.65 Canadian for the same amount. So now, just to be clear, I never pay this price. No, 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 no. I got these for between 50 cents and $1. The most I'll pay is $1 for a tube of beads. So that's just me. I'm the bargain hunter for sure. So let's put those away. So yeah, I'm just so super stoked about these colors. And this one is a Topaz mix. Ooh, this is one of my favorite actually. When I started out, I don't know how I came across, I think I might have gotten them at Michael's on sale, some of these mix, or they might have been, yeah, you know what I think they were? They were strung beads, so they had a mix of these and then other shapes and sizes on a strand. And what I did was I pulled them all apart and put these together, and I was like, oh, they're so pretty. So yeah, these were. There's something about this. I feel like it's got like that tortoiseshell color mix with the light and dark topaz. I think would just be so gorgeous on some jewelry. So yeah, it'd be lovely to make something with that. Then we have this one is a Ceylon Pearl, and we have one here, but it's a different. This one is Opaque dyed pearl, even though it's the same Ceylon. Yeah, one's a 10 and one's an 11, so that's the difference too. So let's show you the difference in these guys. So there's the 10 and there's the 11. So these are tinier. So the higher the number, the smaller the bead. Oh, oh, these are beautiful. So these were $3.30. I'm guessing the metallics are a little more expensive, and this is dark gold metallic. Soul gel, I'm not sure what that is. 11 O's. And look at these. They're delicious. Not that I need any, because Mary Morgan hooked me up with some wholesale seed beads, which I have next to my desk in mason jars. And I pull out little baggies and label them, and yeah, but I thought I'd try this because these are the check ones. So actually, you know what? Now that I think of it, I think the ones I got from her are check too. But these look matte. Let me see what it says. Dark gold metallic soul gel. I wonder. I kind of want to take them out, but it's not a good idea. Move on. Then we have, that's probably the price. So the Miyukis are definitely more expensive. This is silver gray, 22, and it's silver gray luster. Oh, these are lovely. Oh my god, these are really gorgeous. Oh wow, this, I would make a beautiful like Victorian style beaded necklace with some crystals in it and use this and have it like this antique-y silver. They're beautiful. They're really, really nice. They have a bit of like a transparency to them. They are beautiful. Then we have another teal. So this one is teal luster transparent. So I'll pull out the other ones that I showed you earlier. And it's showing really dark, but they're lighter green, and it's showing like a dark blue. I don't know if I put it beside the white, will it show its greenness? Could be my lighting. So here is the other teal. Let me see what this one. So this one is teal AB transparent. So yeah, you get this kind of rainbow effect on them. And these are just straight up green with this shiny luster on them. They're beautiful. I might have to do a separate video for the other. So this is green silver line dyed, and it is 23 grams and 11. Oh, and they're $2.65. They are beautiful. Again, they look like a kind of a bluey green, but they're more of a kind of ocean green. They're really pretty. Wow. And look what we have. So these are silver metallics. I'll pull out the Miyuki ones and compare them. These are really pretty. And they're kind of grayish. There's the two differences. And we have a gunmetal metallic. And this is exactly like you would think gunmetal to be. It has this beautiful luster on them. And last but not least, light copper metallic. Ooh, that's pretty. Wow. It says 370. I'll check. Light copper metallic. I see, yeah, 370. So again, it's still super deal. So that is these lovelies. I am going to end the video here, and I will start the next one on the findings because there's a ton of them. It's going to be crazy. Okay, I'm going to put the stuff aside, and I'll be right back. See you in the next video. Bye for now.